Good morning.
Morning.
And welcome back to Gators on Tour. Humble little channel where we share our big and little adventures. So this is our first walk of January 2024. Our first big walk of January 2024. And this morning we've come to Pelton.
It's a bit muddy, so
It's
hold on.
very muddy. It's another all trails route.
Is it that way? Or that way?
Down that way.
It's really muddy.
It's another all trails route. We'll just see if Hannah slips on her backside.
That's not funny.
No, I know. No, I'll probably do it now.
Oh!
Yeah. Oh God. It is another all trails route, and I will obviously drop the map into the video, but I'm just going to negotiate this. Ugh.
It's really muddy. We've had so much rain, haven't we?
Yeah. So, yeah, as I say, this is Pelton. It's Pelton Circular. It's on all trails. It's about 20 minutes from home. We'll see what this one brings this morning.
Which way?
It's a bit fresh this morning. It's about 3 degrees this morning. Oh, there's a heron.
Oh yes. We just follow
First sighting of wildlife this morning.
the leaves. They're still orangey.
So Pelton is, as I say, it's 20 minutes from our home, and it's just outside Chester Street in County Durham.
I keep losing the path.
I know, just keep walking.
I think it's this way. There's a stream. I don't know how we're going to get across here.
Give us a couple of seconds while we try and navigate the path this
Can't
morning.
get across.
I think we've come to a bit of an obstacle already.
Yeah. So why don't we go through that?
Not swimming.
Right.
Okay.
It's not across there. I think we took the wrong
Back
route.
in a second. Back.
We were well off it, weren't we?
We were, yeah, but there's that many tracks here, and the All Trails map isn't particularly fantastic when you're using the free version of it, so it might be worth considering actually purchasing the full version.
It's not that much, is it?
No.
Right.
Just an annual subscription for the year, so we'll have a look. But we're back on track now anyway.
So we've always added on more steps.
We always add on more steps, so that's good. That's good for us. That's good.
It's a 6-mile walk that probably end up in an 8-mile walk.
Yeah. We've not got Isla with us this morning either.
No.
Decided we'd leave her at home so we can get around a bit quicker.
Far too muddy as well.
Too muddy.
She needs a decent coat to come out in because she gets so wet. She must get really cold as well. Right.
Deer.
Oh yes. Oh. I'll get my camera out.
Just saw them at the corner of my eye.
Hold on, stand still.
Can you see them on camera? 1, 2, 3 of them.
Oh
See their
God,
little white bums walking off.
I missed it.
You'll probably see some more. So this morning so far we've seen a heron and 4 deer over there?
Yeah,
Straight away.
I missed it with the camera.
I've got them on here.
Oh, I love seeing nature.
I know. Makes you feel good, doesn't it?
Yeah, and that's where it should be. They should be out in the wild, in their own environment.
It's fantastic little streams.
Boo! I can hide behind this tree, it's big.
Hide then. Oh no, where's Anna gone?
Boo! These trees with knobbly bits. You see
Trees with
them?
knobbly bits. I think it's just, yeah.
Strange, isn't it? How they grow like that. Right.
A little bit of climbing to do now. Just a few steps. Not too bad. It's very muddy. Montana's funny walk.
You were filming that. Oh. It's not too bad here now.
Oh well. It's all about the memories.
Exactly.
This is why we put our stuff on YouTube. Memories for us to look back upon. As well as share with you guys, obviously.
I know, for our kids to watch.
Yeah, for the kids to watch.
Our kids are proud of us. Well, we keep telling us they're proud of us, so
What, for YouTube?
yeah, and for doing what we're going to be doing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're travelling. It's nice. We've had their blessing.
We've had their blessing, so if we didn't get their blessing, would you still do it?
Yeah. Yeah, I would.
Yeah,
Because it's our time, isn't it?
exactly.
And then, yeah.
This ain't particularly good, this part of the path.
Oh,
Where's it come from? Along there. Sorry, I've spun you around a bit quick on the camera there. That's the way we've just come. And I'm gonna risk it and
nothing to
record
grab
it.
onto.
Anna's done it. Anna's done really well. Check you out. Eh? Mountain goat.
I had no choice. They've past being washed away. Be careful.
Yeah, I'm trying. And trying to record.
There's a bit you can hold on to there. Do you want me to give you my hand?
I've got it.
I slipped there, so be
Here's
careful.
where I got my ass.
No, you're doing good. I slipped there though. Good one. That's crazy. I don't think we should have come that way. Maybe.
Do you know what?
What?
There was no chunking.
No, there wasn't. There was there.
Anna didn't chunk.
Look up, blue skies. Yay!
Yeah.
It's getting warmer while we're walking.
Those that don't know what chunking is, it's our little term for moaning.
I'm getting brave in my old age.
It's all about the memories.
Haven't I?
Huh?
Getting a bit braver in my old age.
Yeah. That looks like there's a remnants of an
Oh,
old
yeah.
building over there. What's left of it?
Well, there was something down the river there.
Yeah, I saw a
Yeah.
concrete block down there.
Oh, I wonder what was there. Try and see if we get a little bit of
Obviously,
history.
County Durham, Stanley, Chester Street, all around those areas. Up here is, or was, heavily industrialised.
See how the water's washed away the
With
roots from that
different
tree.
mills, yeah.
Look. Wow.
Keep on walking. Keep on walking.
Just walk and walk.
We are heading up that path. Bit of a climb now. Slow and steady. Little bit of an incline there.
Let's go.
I think we're getting a bit warm, aren't you?
That wasn't too bad.
Up onto Woolridge Fell now.
Oh, a little dog missing.
Oh. There you go, Woolridge Fell. Like the Heritage 100. Anybody knows what that is? Is that wood carved in there, or is that just a bizarre shaped tree? It's been felled.
Like a wood carving, but
Yeah,
it's broke up. That's a
something's
shame,
broke,
isn't it?
isn't it? Hmm. Well, there's the rest of it.
I wonder what it was.
Oh, don't
What a
know.
shame. What do you reckon it could be?
The sun's shining down on us now.
Yeah. We're quite high up now.
Yeah, I think we've gained about 100 metres in height. Can't really see through the trees
It's quite warm.
because we have
As
got a
well.
bit of a view now.
It's quite warm as well.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah. If you like to do downhill mountain biking, BMXing, I bet this is used quite a bit actually.
Oh,
That don't look much on camera, but that was
I
one
know.
where I nearly went right on my arse.
I just heard you come in. Oh man.
It's quite a drop down, isn't it? Still, look
I know.
down to the river down
Get away
there.
from the edge then.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're
Is
Somebody-
that really bamboo?
It is bamboo. That is bamboo.
It's not the bamboo you get in China though, is it?
I bet it is. It's not as thick.
No, it's not.
There's more there.
Oh yeah. It's like that.
Yeah. Nice little place.
Yeah.
Must be popular. They've got benches.
You can see here the remnants of some of the old industry. It was once here. Unfortunately, there's no information board, but I suspect it was a mill of some sort. The culvert running under there. With supporting pillars over there. Anna's already made it to the top. Not hanging around here. That's nearly another one done. Just making our way back towards the car now. Enjoy that one.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
Really muddy underfoot though, wasn't it?
Very muddy. Had a real good workout.
Yeah. So that was the Pelton Fell circular. Like I say, I'll put the All Trails link into the video. Anyone that wants to do that.
It's a nice walk.
It's a nice walk.
Be nice if it wasn't so
Steep
muddy.
in places.
Yeah.
Really muddy underfoot, but that's the time of the year anyway.
I know, tell the calves that.
Yeah. A slightly different ending this time for us.
Yeah.
No pub.
No, I'm not bothered.
No pub. I've got to bring my cholesterol levels down, so I've been told by the doctor, so
I don't mind.
kick up the backside.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. But it doesn't mean to say that we're never going to drink again.
No, obviously not.
Just focusing on reducing at the moment.
And getting a bit healthier.
Yeah, and a bit fitter.
We're nearly back.
We're nearly back to the car. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that one. Come along next time.
Wherever that may be. I'm not sure where we're going next.
No, well there is plans for this year, but Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We'll save those for later.
Oh, really? Secrets. He's got secrets for me. Okay, cheers, guys.
Bye.
Bye.